Okay, some 17. Fine. So we were discussing critical slope. Okay, and we had derived this critical slope for the rectangular channel S star C as non-dimensional critical slope here, SC b to the power 1 by 3 by gn square. Okay, so this is a non-dimensional term which is equal to 1 plus 2 eta c to the power 4 by 3 by eta to the power 1 by 3. Okay, fine. Rather, I would like this to write as eta. Okay, so fine. So this is your expression, and that expression has been plotted here. That expression has been plotted here. Fine. And this line is that everywhere, all the points, they are the flow Froude number is 1.0, or the flow is critical on this curve. And obviously, right side of the curve, or this portion which has been written as steep slope, this portion which has been written as mild slope. So if your S star C value is say 4, you read this value of eta. Okay, you read this value of eta. Up to that value of eta, you will have mild slope, and from that value to this value, okay, you will have steep slope. And if y will further increase, eta will further increase, then again you will enter the mild slope. So you can evaluate a zone where it is steep slope and the rest of it is mild slope. So that is divided by the critical slope or the limit slope, the critical slope point, and the limiting value of the critical slope is called limit slope. From the differentiation, you would have obtained this 8 by 3 and 1 by 6. That is this I had given you. Find the limit slope for rectangular channel. Okay, so differentiating this with respect to eta, you would have solved it, equated it, obtaining eta equal to 1 by 6, and we checked for 1 by 6. If I substitute 1 by 6 here, I get S star C as 8 by 3. So you can see 2.667 is the limit slope when it is 0.166. Yes. Bolo. Somebody telling something? Any question? Okay, come back. Okay, now if I am asked to compute the limit slope, or any such, if I take a small example, okay, first part will take a brick line rectangular channel a bottom width 6 meter, n is 0.017, is laid on a slope of 0.003. For this channel, estimate the critical slope which will have a normal depth of flow of 2 meters. Okay, let's do it first and then you can do the second part. Okay, just try to compute the critical slope. Just try to compute the critical slope.
Sir, can you repeat the values?
Estimate the critical slope which will have a normal depth of flow of 2 meters.
Sir, what is the value of eta? 0.0017.
Okay, we can just do it like this. Fine. See, at the we have to estimate the critical slope, which will have a normal depth of flow of 2 meter. That means y equal to 2 meter will give me a value of yc by b. Okay, so a eta value, your bottom width is 6 meter. Okay, so your eta value is
Yes, roughness, sir, roughness coefficient, sir. Then one that we say eta like that.
and then eta equal to 1 by 3. And now you compute this quantity. Now you compute this quantity, rather
Sir, I cannot see your screen, sir.
so this is your expression for SC. I have transposed b to the power 1 by 3 and m square g. So compute this quantity.
Sir, screen is not shared, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Screen is not shared, sir.
Oh, screen sharing is not.
We can't see, sir, screen. Your presentation screen, sir.
It is visible now?
Yes, sir. It is visible now, sir.
Okay. So substitute eta equal to 1 by 3 and rest of the terms from this expression. So this is what you get as your critical slope. Okay, at this slope, you can get this as critical. This at this normal depth of flow, the flow will be critical in this condition of the channel. Okay, if you have computed this, have you computed this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if this is the slope, also compute what will be your S star C. Okay, so your S star C is computed as, that is the limit slope. The limit slope S star C is what? That is this quantity. SC into B to the power 1 by 3 upon n square G. चला चला. Okay, limit slope 8 by 3 equal to S b to the power 1 by 3 by gn square. S b to the power 1 by 3 by gn square will be equal to 8 by 3, and from that you compute S. Okay, from that you compute S, which will give you the critical slope as 0.00416. Okay, so you get a value of So you get a value of 0.00416. So this is the critical slope, and all the slopes smaller than this will be flatter, and if the slope decreases, the depth of flow will increase from the Manning's equation. Look at the Manning's equation. Okay, here. Okay, if S will increase, then this quantity will decrease with a smaller y. Okay, so slope will be more than the critical slope, y will be smaller, and you will have supercritical flow, and S will be flatter. Okay, S will be flatter, then y will be larger, and you will have for larger y here S is compared to this. Compare that to this. This is which is greater than this. This is greater than this. That means the slope is 0.003. Let on a slope of 0.003. So this value is greater than 0.003 with the limit slope of 8 by 3. 8 by 3 into b to the power into gn square into gn square gn square divided by b to the power 1 by 3, that gives you 0.00416. Okay, that is greater than 0.003. That is greater than 0.003. Fine. So variation of normal depth from 0.10 to 4.0 meter in this channel, that will give you, this is this slope being less than this value. At this value of the slope, you have just reaching this point. Okay, so slope lesser than this. Everywhere it is mild slope, isn't it? Everywhere it is mild slope. If the slope is more than this, then you will have to further evaluate. Okay, these two values you have to evaluate, and within that it is steep. More than this it is mild, less than this it is mild. So since the slope is less than this corresponds to, this limit slope corresponds to 0.00416. So 0.003 is towards the left of this curve. Somewhere here. So for all the slope, it will be mild. So slope is mild in the range of depths. In this range of depth, if we have already got this towards the right side, towards the left side, for all the slope. So irrespective of this, we will not have to use this. We will not have to use this because the slope is mild in the complete range of depths. Okay, in the complete range of depths. Fine. And if we'll get this value, say the slope would have been, this value would have been 0.005. 0.005. So with 0.005, say with a slope of, this is not given in the question, I'm just adding this. Okay, this is not given in the question, I'm just adding this. With a slope of 0.005. In case in the question, the slope is 0.005 here. Okay. What will be A star C? A star C will be equal to how much? So if you use 0.005, eight by 3 into we had got with 0.00416, we had obtained 8 by 3, so 0.00416, and this is so with a slope of 0.005, I get A star C equal to how much? Eight by 3 into 0.005 divided by 0.016. So this gives me a value of 3.205. 3.205. Okay. So, which is obviously this is greater than 8 by 3. Obviously, this is greater than 8 by 3. Fine. Okay, so now 3.205, you read in this curve, 3.205. So you get two values over here. Okay, solve this equation. Solve this equation. Okay, what is that? Your equation is this. Equal to 3.205. Okay, so this equation you solve. That is, in this curve for 3.205, what are the two values of eta? You'll be getting now two values of eta. Okay, to obtain two values of eta, that is eta 1 and eta 2 that you will get by solving this equation, and they are nothing but these two values here. Okay, at 3.2, if I draw a vertical, this point here and this point here, I'll get 2 points. They are eta 1 and eta 2. They will correspond to, after multiplying b, I'll get y1 and y2. Okay, I'll get y1 and y2. So I'll have now three ranges. Range, and then milder steep. Okay, so what is the first range? Okay, you have to obtain the range and whether it is mild or steep, whether it is mild or steep. Okay, so first is b eta 1, that y1 value. So y less than b into eta 1. Y less than beta 1. Fine. Y less than beta 1. You will have the first range. You will have the first range y less than beta 1. And the corresponding slope will be mild. Okay, and then the next range is beta 1 and beta 2. Within that, exactly at y equal to beta 1, it is critical. Okay, exactly at y equal to beta 1, it is critical. Slope is critical. Y equal to beta 1. It is critical. Y is equal to beta 1 and y is equal to beta 2, which you are obtaining as the solution. Which you are obtaining this as the solution of this. Okay? Fine. The eta 1 and eta 2 are the solution. So at y equal to beta 1, it is critical. At y equal to beta 1, it is critical. Okay? And at y equal to beta 2, it is again critical. Okay? It is again critical. Y less than beta 1, these are the two values where it is critical. And less than this, the slope is mild. The slope is mild. And in between beta 1 to beta 2, okay, exactly at beta 1, in between beta 1 to beta 2, the slope is steep. Okay, in between this, the slope is steep. Here it is mild and y greater than beta 2. Y greater than beta 2, again it is mild. You can see y greater than beta 2 beyond this value. Okay, again it's a mild slope. In between, it's a steep slope. So you have this particular thing. Okay, you have this particular thing after evaluating eta 1, eta 2. You can say this way the slope will be mild or steep or critical as per this. Okay, next class maybe we will be doing one such example. One such example where eta 1, eta 2 will evaluate and do this. Okay, so in case I say it is, if I say this is with, if I say with a slope of this, then only the calculations will go like this. However, in our case, the slope 0.00416, or you can do one thing, you can compute with 0.003, it will be falling below this. It is all the same. Okay, so we compute basically the critical slope 0.00416. It is greater than 0.003. So you are basically lying to the left of this, and at all slopes it is mild. Okay, so this is your answer. The slope is mild. The slope is mild in all ranges of depth, and this is your critical value which you compute here, SC. Fine. Okay, so this is a small example. We will take up some example where this particular work will be done in the next class. Okay? So, we should stop now today's class. You are 25 attended the class, so let's off our class. Next class Wednesday. Wednesday 11 o'clock. No?
Sir,
Yes. Bolo.
some doubt in this question.
Doubt bolo.
Sir, here, sir, we are saying that y greater than b eta 1 and then less than b eta 2. Saying that the slope is steep, right, sir? Slope. And again, if we see the graph, then sir, then
See,
we can see that
at exactly
even
8 by 3,
when we draw a
2.67.
line, then there is some.
See, at exactly 8 by 3, if you draw a vertical, it will intersect at the critical slope. Since my value is 3.205, now with that value, it will intersect at 2 points. They are eta 1, eta 2. Multiplying b, I get y1, y2. Okay, so they are the yc1, yc2, or the value where the slope is critical. So in between the two critical slope, it is steep, and more than the second critical slope, it is mild, and the first one, the bottom one, less than that, it is again mild. If you solve it in the graph, fine. We'll take up some example next class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. So we hang up for today.